Hi, this is Sally, and today is day 21 of my weight loss journey. And so I'm just going to show you a little bit about what I bought today, and here it goes. Okay, this is my fridge. Okay, this top shelf belongs to me, and as you can see, these are the green apples that I'll be juicing tomorrow and Tuesday. This is my organic yogurt. I only have a little bit left, so I hope to finish it tonight and make another batch. Usually one tub like this would be about 4 meals for me. This is my K-Salt potassium. That is my yogurt starter. Yeah, usually one yogurt starter, I can use it for 12 times. So over here, this bowl here is usually where I would have my starter. So what happens is after I make my yogurt, I would take out maybe about 3 or 4 scoops, yeah, and then use this to make the next batch. Okay, so let me just open the fridge and have it back in again. Okay. Oops. Yes, this is my flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil needs to be captured in the fridge. So usually I have my flaxseed oil together with my yogurt, together with my bee pollen. Yeah. This is longan. I'm not sure whether you've seen it before. Yeah, but it's quite typical in Asian countries. So this is my bean curd that I think my family bought for me, but I probably need to discard it because it's been a day. This is South African grapes. This is my fast food, my snacking tangerines, right? Just easy for snacking if I get too hungry, rather than resorting to things like instant noodles. And over here, these are my carrots that I bought for juicing. It's going to be 8 carrots per day, plus one glass of juice is 2 carrots and 1 green apple. Yes, so this is my sharing for today and my shopping. This is my family's fridge. Yeah. Okay, I hope you like the video of today. It's a short one, and I'll see you in the next video.